I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So this video I am going to make explaining how to appear NSF weekly CCT, that is PISA test using app. My dear students, you have been appearing the weekly NSF CCT test for the last 1 year through their websites. Now they have launched the mobile app versions, and it's very easy and convenient to appear the test on apps. So today I am going to explain how to install this app and how to appear. So it's very easy. So with this video you will get the app. I have downloaded the app and I'll circulate the apps along with this tutorial video, because some of you may find difficulty in downloading the apps because it is in APK format, and many mobiles directly you will not be allowed to install. So what I have planned, that along with this tutorial video I will circulate the apps which simply you have to install. So please see how to install the apps. So you will get this app cctapi.apk. So just you have to click on it. You click this app, you will get along with this tutorial video. So you have to click on this. Okay, the moment you click, you will get some message. Okay, you will get some message definitely that for your security your phone is not allowed to install, or variety of message may be there in defined mobile phones. Means it is asking you security permissions. Okay, so you have to set it yes, otherwise it will not be installed. So it happens in every mobiles. So go to settings. The moment you go to settings, you just click it here. Okay, allow. You just make it allow. So I am now allowing. Okay, then go back. After allowing, once you allow, then it will be installed. Otherwise it will not be installed. I am telling you very clearly, in every mobile, whether it is Redmi, Samsung, or whatever it may be, it will ask you security permissions before installations. Okay, so now install. It is being installed. Okay, मैं अपना मोबाइल आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, हो रहा है. सो ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड. ओके, इंस्टॉल हो चुका है. सो नाउ आई ओपन इट. ओके, सो नाउ इट इज ओपनड. सो मैं सपोज किसी बच्चा का अकाउंट खोल के आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, फॉर लर्निंग. तो ये लकीली किसका था? ऋषिराज कलिता. ठीक है, तो मैंने ऋषिराज कलिता का अकाउंट ओपन किया. आप अपना यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड डालेंगे. ठीक है, एंड यू सी इट इज़ वेरी इजी. यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट्स. आप रिजल्ट भी देख सकते हो. ऑन 26 September he appeared, how much he got in maths, English. So you can see the results also. ठीक है, so now it's very easy to appear the test. No test available because you know this test starts from Saturday 4 p.m. to Sunday 4 p.m. So hope this video will be useful for this app and regularly appear the NSF weekly CC test. Thank you.